Hello everyone, Master Williams here. I'm here with your next challenge. This is the push-up pendulum or bell swing challenge. We do 4 push-ups going one direction and then 4 push-ups going back the other direction. Alright, so let me show you what I mean. Alright, so just like that. Now the way this works is you're going to start at 1. 1 is going to be doing 4 push-ups one direction and then 4 push-ups back. That counts as 1. If you can do more than 1, then that's how you would end up breaking it up. So we start with 1, then we do 2. So 2 will go here, back, and then again. That's 2. All right, and then 3, of course, is doing that 3 times. So as you work your way up, I want you to do 1 set, count that as 1. And then when you do number 2, you have to do both sets together. And the same thing for 3, 4, all the way up as high as you can go. All right, if you can shoot to be able to do 10 at the end, it's going to be tough, but if you can, that would be awesome. All right, I have faith in you, so I know you can do it. All right. So that's it for me. I hope everyone's at home staying safe, and we'll see you as soon as we can. All right, everybody. Tongsu.